Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and it is Monday. Today is Make It in Minutes Monday, and we're going to be making this fun fold card right here. I'm actually going to change the front. I decided I didn't like this designer series paper, so we're going to use something different. So we're using our frame Florets stamp set. We're using the Wishes for a Beautiful Day, and then for a special person on a special day. Love that. And then we're also going to be using our stylish shapes. And before we started, I went ahead and die cut our two circles that we're going to need, and already pre-mounted our stamps that we're going to be using. We're also going to be using the Balmy Blue ink and the Night of Navy. And so we're going to get started by stamping our two pieces. We're going to be stamping on our white circle and our inside sentiments. So we're going to start with our Night of Navy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stamp a couple of these flowers around the edge of the inside. We're going to take our Balmy Blue and just come in and add a couple more flowers. All right, we are done with our stamping. Now we just need to assemble everything. So the big piece is going to be our card base. We're going to give this a good burnish here. I'm going to make sure we have a nice crisp edge for that. And then our smaller piece is going to be our little flap. I'm going to give that a good burnish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of green glue. This small flap right here is going to be the front of the card. We're going to adhere this with the folded edge down to the inside of the card. And I wanted to use tumble glue because I want to be able to make sure this is sitting equal distance from the top to the bottom. All right, perfect. So now it's going to fold like that. We're going to open this up. We're going to place our inside on first. We're going to use our big designer series paste. Place that on the front. We're going to take our smaller piece, which I think goes better. I don't know why I changed the color. Next, we're going to adhere this to the big circle. Next, we're going to take our dimensionals and we're going to adhere the circle to the front of the small panel. And on this particular one, if you like it, I colored our rhinestones with our Night of Navy, the dark Night of Navy. But actually on this particular card, since we have a lot of navy on here already, I'm just going to go ahead and use the clear. Hope you like these, and if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration, and make sure to hit that little bell so that you are getting notifications when we do post new information. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.